Most people using AI for visuals are still bouncing between 5 tabs. They generate an image in one tool, download it, upload it to another tool to animate it, screenshot the output, drop it into a document, write a caption somewhere else. That's not a workflow. That is busy work wearing a creative costume. And the reason your output feels inconsistent is because your process is fragmented. What I'm going to show you today in this video is how to connect Higgsfield directly to Claude through MCP. So Claude can generate cinematic images and videos for you live inside the same conversation where you were planning the campaign. So one chat, full creative direction. Get real production quality output. No tab switching, no guesswork, and no exporting or re-uploading between tools. That's the key. I'm Navin. I run an AI agency where we build and implement these systems for real businesses. And I've been running a Nano, Higgsfield, and Capca pipeline for my own content for months. What I'm showing you today is the upgrade I've been waiting for. This connection changes the entire workflow. I'm telling you, I'm going to walk you through the entire thing from scratch so you can follow along and have it running by the time this video ends. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is go to higgsfield.ai. So make a plan. I have like one of the higher tier plans with business and stuff, so I'm able to do a lot of different things. But again, just make a paid plan so you can connect it and have credits to actually test all this out. Once you have this, you're going to click literally right here, Higgsfield MCP, okay? It's going to go right here. Now, I'm assuming you're using Claude. Like for example, I'm going to show you guys how to do this with Claude. So ideally you do it with Claude, but they have OpenClaw, Hermes, and NemoClaw. So if we go with Claude, it tells you right here how to set it up. So this is step one. You open Higgsfield, you go back to Claude. We're going to go settings, down the bottom, go connectors. So settings, into our connectors, and then it says add custom connector, right? So we're going to click here to copy this one over. We're going to go add custom connector at the bottom here. We'll call it Higgsfield MCP because that's what it is. And we're going to put the URL right there. Okay, if we go back to the double check the instructions, click add to connect, and literally that's it. Okay, so we're going to add it. So basically from here, see how it says connect? So we're going to go click connect and give it a second to load. And it's automatically logging into my Higgsfield account because I'm logged in. So obviously we're going to go allow for this connection because that's what we're trying to do. And now you can see it's actually set up here. Now, if you're a beginner, and even when I do this, when I first started, I had no idea if actually things were connected. So how do you check? Well, let's just ask Claude, like, are you now connected to Higgsfield via the MCP? So let's just literally ask it just to make sure we know that we're good to go. So look, literally it's connected. I can see everything here. So here's what I'm gonna do. We're gonna upload an image and we're gonna add our silent basketball. So I got 2 images here, okay? So I have 2 images of our viral silent basketball here. And of course, I'll also do this. If you need more info, you can find it at the product link here, and I'll give it the actual product link just in case it's like needs it, but it should already have it, right? So I'm giving it the images and I'm giving it my product link. I want you to generate brand new ad creatives for me using the new, and what I want to do is obviously because we have a little bit of knowledge here, I want to use the new GPT image 2.0 because it's actually insane. So using the new GPT image 2.0, let's make 10 different and unique creatives. Crazy spelling, but that's all good, that I can use on Instagram to promote the ball and drive sales. Okay, I want everyone to understand this. I have not used this before. It's my first time ever doing it. I connected it live with you for the first time. I'm prompting it and just testing everything out live with all of you. I have no idea if that's going to work. I have no idea how it's going to talk to Higgsfield and can it actually do GPT image 2.0. We're exploring all this together for the first time. The massive unlock here is going to be what you can do at scale by connecting an AI like Claude to handle all of this for you. Oh, if this pops up, just go confirm because it's just confirming that it can use the connectors. And basically you can see right away, it's like, hey, I love this. I want to fire off 10 generations. But if again, it's asking me first what to do. And it said heads up on the model. Higgsfield doesn't have GPT image. Cool. So what we can use obviously is Nano 2, which is totally fine. So we'll use Nano 2. It's also telling us like, okay, what it has, what it doesn't have, and all the things that we can do and use. And it's also telling us the amount of credits we can use and everything else in between. Okay, so first question, what's the primary vibe? I'll skew all 10 creatives in this direction. So let's go 5 lifestyle and 5 hype. I think that's pretty cool. Okay. Aspect ratio, yes, I would love to have 4 to 5 as the aspect ratio. Should I add text overlay? Yes, add hooks and copy on each. So let's see what it spins up here. Okay, so you can also see that it literally just generated everything. So we got 5 lifestyle, 5 hype, and wow, it literally created. So again, I use this for the first time with you guys. I'm testing everything live. I did not check anything before. So let's go through each one, okay? First of all, we have the neighbors won't hear a thing. Silent basketball button, absolutely fire. Okay, so very, very clean. And it's using bolt. Wow. Practice at 3 a.m. Roommate's still asleep. First of all, look at the Kobe posters on the background. The purple ball matching the Lakers vibe. This kid's got his jersey, Westfield University, all clean, all matching. Road trip, no court, no problem. Silent basketball button in the lab. Like, guys, this is crazy. Baby asleep, handle's not on hold. Like, you can see that it's made everything I've asked for. It's very clean, sound canceled. Like, it's also working on a few others. This is kind of like what I'm talking about, right? This is like the unlock for us. Like, we talked to Claude. Claude communicated it to Higgsfield itself, and it generated the images for me. I didn't do anything, guys. Like, go back to the top. I just said, can you make some images for our viral silent basketball? I did nothing. This is the unlock, and this is why I'm trying to empower everyone to start using AI, like especially Claude. Claude has so many great connectors, so many skills, so many incredible use cases. Look what I just did. I have no images. I have no photographer, no videographer, nothing. It came up with the headlines by itself, the marketing, the branding, the colors, the images, everything by itself. All these concepts were created with AI. Like, if that doesn't blow your mind, I don't know what is. So please stop what you're doing, start experimenting, and ask me questions if you have any. I'm here to help you. And that's the build. Higgsfield connected to Claude, running a full creative pipeline from one conversation. If you are a creator making your own brand content, an agency running campaign for clients, or a founder trying to launch product visuals without hiring a full creative team, this setup directly applies to your situation. This will help you produce content and assets in minutes with art direction baked in. Now, before you close this video, do one thing. Open Claude, set up the connector, and run one product through it tonight. Pick the thing you've been putting off shooting because it felt like too much of a production. That is the first thing to hand off to this system. And if you want this built into your actual business workflow with your products, your brand, and your campaign, that's exactly what I do inside of Build with Nav. We get on a session, we build the real thing, and you leave with it running. The link is in the description if you want to check it out. If you want to see what happens next when you connect Claude to your entire marketing stack, I made a video on how to build your full marketing team with AI. So go watch that one next, and please like, subscribe, and follow for more. We got so much more coming.